Ever found yourself trapped in the endless loop of procrastination? Ever wondered why the couch seems more appealing than that looming task at hand? You're not alone. It's a battle many of us face, the struggle against laziness and the quest for focus. This video will explore 5 strategies to help you overcome laziness and sharpen your focus. First on the list is setting clear, achievable goals. Nothing fuels laziness more than ambiguity. When the path ahead is unclear, it's easy to lose motivation. So make your goals concrete. Break them down into manageable tasks. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Secondly, cultivate a positive mindset. Your thoughts shape your reality. If you constantly tell yourself that you're lazy, you'll live up to that label. Instead, affirm your capabilities. Remind yourself of your successes, however small they may be. This shift in perspective can work wonders in overcoming laziness. Thirdly, establish a routine. A well-structured day leaves little room for laziness. Allocate specific time slots for work, rest, and leisure. Consistency is key here. Stick to your routine, and over time, it will become second nature. Next up, practice mindfulness. In a world buzzing with distractions, it's easy to lose focus. Mindfulness brings you back to the present moment. It's about being fully engaged in whatever you're doing. Whether you're studying for an exam or doing the dishes, be fully present. Mindfulness not only keeps laziness at bay, but also enhances productivity. Finally, take care of your physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are crucial in maintaining energy levels. A healthy body promotes a healthy mind, and a healthy mind is a focused one. So don't neglect your physical well-being in your quest to overcome laziness. In summary, overcoming laziness and staying focused is a multifaceted process. It involves setting clear goals, cultivating a positive mindset, establishing a routine, practicing mindfulness, and taking care of your physical health. It may seem like a daunting task, but remember, every small step counts. So start today. Embrace these strategies and watch as the shackles of laziness fall away, replaced by the invigorating power of focus.